Hello, today we are in Restaurante Martin Berasategui. Today we have two of Sammic's vacuum sealing machines, the 310S and the 310T. The 310S is sensor controlled and the 310T is time controlled. Vacuum sealing machines are used to preserve and store, marinate and infuse, and cook sous vide. Sammic's machines are easy to use and easy to maintain, and they can do all of the above. The 310S has multiple settings to suit your needs, whether you are sealing solids or liquids. The sensor machine is designed to preserve fragile goods such as bread and lettuce by injecting gas. The sensor machine has the ability to preserve fragile goods such as pastries by injecting gas. Here we have a croissant that was preserved with the gas function, and here we have one that did not use the gas function. So here we have an example of the sensor-controlled machine. Let's take a pastry, like a croissant. Okay, so we set the program to number 2, and our vacuum percentage, we will set it to 99%, and just some extra vacuum time of 1 second. The gas, if we change it to 75%, that means there will be 24% of gas inside. Gas is on. Stop time of 3 seconds. Soft air of 2 seconds. And here we go. There we have it. Our pastry is preserved. Here we will use the Sammic time-controlled machine and seal some oranges. Okay, so we have it set at 30 seconds, which is sufficient for oranges. Seal time of 3.5 seconds, and we will turn the air function on. Let's go. There we have it. With all the Sammic vacuum machines, you can use the vacuum arm function and hook up this container here to preserve sauces and liquids. All Sammic vacuum machines are equipped with the dry oil function, as seen here and here. The dry oil function prolongs the life of Sammic vacuum machines because it removes the humidity from the pumps within.